All right, ladies and gentlemen, dear trader friends, welcome to our basic course one. And the first step to get you started properly is creating your broker account. And I have a video overview for you here so you can see what kind of things we will be going through, including claiming a free $50 that will be deposited by Traderfriends for you, so you will have the perfect head start for your trading career. So let's get started. Registering with the broker will be the first thing, then verifying your broker account. We're going to talk about creating a MetaTrader 4 or 5 account, claiming your $50 for that account, and then connecting it with your broker. And then we're going to talk about tips for a perfect start. So it might sound a little complicating and overwhelming at start, but don't worry, here I am to help and guide you through it. So let's get started. All right, first things first, some clarity to give you a little bit of insight of the trading world and how that works when it comes to all these accounts, because there's a lot of accounts, broker, all those names, like you don't know what they really mean, maybe. So I'm going to clarify first what those terms mean. First of all, Traderfriends in itself, you need to understand, we only provide the education and the strategic part, the strategy to succeed in the markets. So we are like the trading school, okay? But the broker instead is another entity. It's another platform where you actually need to sign up separately. It's the place where you deposit and withdraw your money and create your trading accounts. And then there's this last platform called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. That's the software we are using to place trades. And this MetaTrader platform will be connected to your broker account. So now that you know the difference between those things, let's dive into the exciting part, claiming your free $50, because we have a very special promotion I've been working on with some very beautiful people of Quo Markets to make this happen. That's a very unique thing. Trust me, guys, I have been in the industry for 8 years now. And this is a pretty new video. So you will be watching the videos later on that are backdated, like they have been recorded some years in the back, but this is a very updated and new video because I wanted to ensure people the perfect start into their trading career with a free $50, so you don't need to deposit your own money. So once you clicked on a button, registration, to create your account, you're going to get redirected to this page over here. And here you just fill out all the information needed. Make sure that everything is, of course, entered with precision and is correct. You will also need to validate and verify your account later on after you have created that account. So I'm going to dive into my own account right now to show you how that looks like and how you can verify your account. All right, so let's head over to the login and log into our account and see how our dashboard looks like. This is the Quo Markets dashboard, your broker dashboard. Don't confuse that. And if you have your account, if you are logged in, at the top right, you can see your avatar, and there you can actually click on verification. And the first thing you will be needing to do is to just upload your passport and maybe another verification document to verify your address, and that's it. But usually for the start, a passport or your ID is perfectly fine to verify that account. It will happen very fast. And once you have verified that you are ready to go, then you can head over platforms and create your MetaTrader 4 account. So that is what we are going to do next. We're going to create our MetaTrader 4 account, create new account. We're going to create a live account, and you can just choose whatever you like here. Let's go for the standard. I'm going to choose Euro. You can just leave this type to hedging. You cannot change it anyway. That's a good thing, actually. And then we're going to change the leverage. I would like to go for 500. You're going to know what that means later on in the video. It's going to be explained. But this is how you do it. You're just going to add a new account. And once you've did that, you're going to see it pop it up here in the MetaTrader 4 MT4 section that there is the account already ready to go. You can click on it and see some details here. So you can like dive into the history, the balance statistics, and all of that. Also, if you click on settings, and there you're going to see the account settings, and you can actually change the password if you like. You can see the password, the exact password. They're going to send you an email where the password is displayed. But if you want to change it, you can just do it here. Other than that, your account number is also displayed here. And those two things are important in order to connect it with your MetaTrader 4 platform, which I'm going to show you how to do that later on. But you need that trading account number. This is this here, and you need your password. If you like to change it, you can do it here. So let's head over how to claim that $50 now, because the next thing we need to do is go on a different page of Quo Markets. So in order to claim those $50, I will need to remember my trading account number, 88309. All right, so in order to claim our $50 or €50 bonus, we need to head over to quomarkets.com/promo. And then we're just going to enter the promo code, which is TFR50. We're going to click on next. And we're going to just type in our MT4 or MT5 account number, which was 88309. We're going to type in the email, confirm the email, and click next. And then it's going to be automatically applied to your account. It might take a while, but usually it goes instantly. So the next thing we need to do is to log into our MT4 account on the MetaTrader 4 in order to check if everything is correct. In order to do that, we will need our MT4 account number and the password and the MetaTrader 4 software, which is next. We're gonna get the software right now if we head over desktop platforms here at the bottom and then download it over there. We're gonna click on that and we're gonna download the MetaTrader 4 for Windows. We're gonna download that and we're gonna install it. And once installed, that's a pretty quick procedure because it's a small file. Once installed, we can head over to our location where we actually saved up that file, and we can launch the MetaTrader 4 application. All right, ladies and gentlemen, successfully downloaded, installed the MetaTrader 4 of Quo Markets. And we have created the live account. Now I'm inside the software MetaTrader 4. I know it looks very overwhelming if you are a beginner, but it is completely normal. Everything at first will look complicated, especially in the trading space when it comes to finance, right? So don't be overwhelmed. Be curious about it and learn with us. Use the basic course and the strategic course later on of Traderfriends that is provided by Traderfriends in order to educate yourself in your own pace, to learn all this stuff. And we also have all the tutorials on how to use the software because, you know, guys, like a doctor needs to know how to use his tools. We as a trader also need to know how to operate with those programs. So this is how the MetaTrader 4 looks like. We want to log in to our broker account now that we actually created with Quo Markets, because MetaTrader 4 doesn't know that we have a broker account. We need to give MetaTrader 4 the information. So we click on File at the top left corner. We click on Open an Account. We're going to click on plus on Add a New Broker. And we're going to type in Trade Quo Markets in here. And then those two are going to pop up. And since we have created a live account, we're going to mark the live account, click on next. Then we're going to click on existing trade account and we're going to put in our login. This is our trading account number, which you can find in your email. And this is the password connected to that account. So let's go to the email so I can show you how that looks like. You can also log into your Quo Markets dashboard and see it there. But this is the details you need to put in. So this is my mail account, and I have all the details. They have sent me all the details for my account here. Here is the login ID, and here is the master password. So I'm going to use that in order to log in to my MetaTrader 4. I'm just going to copy paste that password and head over here. And the trading account number is 88309, 88309. I'm going to copy paste it. Don't share this information with anyone, especially if you have funds on it. So yeah, please always be safe with it. And once we clicked on connect, then you're going to see at the bottom left corner, there are some numbers moving. This means there is a stable connection. This is how it looks like at the top left corner. Now it should display your account number and the server you are on. And this is how it works. If you want to check if you have those $50 already deposited into your account, you will need to check out the terminal. You can click on view. There is a terminal, switch it on. And at the terminal, at the bottom left corner, there is a tab called Trade, and there you can see your balance. Now, if the 50 euros are already on here, or the dollars, then everything is fine. If not, you will need to wait a little bit until those get deposited onto here. So back to the presentation, we want to make sure we have done everything correctly to claim that free $50. We have clicked on the button registration to create our account with the broker Quo Markets. And inside the dashboard, we have verified that account. We have uploaded documents for verification. We have created the trading account inside Quo Markets, a MetaTrader 4 live account, and got the details also via mail. So we can put in those details onto the promo page in order to claim that free $50. And we have used the bonus code TFR50 to get that. We have set the deposit amount to 0. And then we have connected our MetaTrader 4 Quo Markets broker live account with the MetaTrader 4 platform that we have installed onto our Windows system. We have connected it. And then, yeah, we are basically ready to go. Obviously, make sure go through all the steps here. If you don't want to watch the video, you can just do everything that is here typed in text. Just be sure that the bonus that you will get, the $50, it will expire. It will be deducted from your account after 30 days. It is because we want to make people actually take action and not just let it sit there for several months or years. So please make sure of that $50. We want to make sure that you really take action, but still, that doesn't mean you load up that $50 and just start trading right away and just blow it. Please don't do that. In order to grow it successfully, because we have many success stories where actually people have grown $100, $200 to $60,000. We have success stories like that. In order to do that, you will need to learn the strategy. So make use of the Traderfriends courses. But wait a minute, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are already advanced, if you do have some experience in the markets, there's another promotion I have set up with Quo Markets that is pretty nice that I'm using myself. For every euro that I'm investing, I will get another 30% in deposit bonus, meaning if I will be investing 1,000 euros or dollars, I will get another $300 or euros on top for that trading account. And that helps me a lot to grow my account faster because you have more money on your account. So that is a beautiful thing. And you can apply this deposit bonus for every account you create with Quo Markets. So I have shown you how to create an account. You can create multiple accounts. You can also use this promo for the account where you have claimed your $50 on. So you can use both of those on the same account. The only thing is you can use those free $50 only on one account. But this account can be applied on multiple accounts. So what you need to do is visit the promo page as we did before, enter the same details that we did. Exception is we need to use a different bonus code. The bonus code for the deposit bonus is TFR30, sorry, TFR30. And the difference is we don't put a 0 to the deposit amount. We now put the amount we want to deposit where we want to get those 30% deposit bonus on. So if we were to put $1,000, 1,000 in there, then we will get another 300. If you put, I don't know, 10,000, you will get 3,000, right? So it doesn't really matter how much you want to deposit. It's up to you. Now, keep in mind the rules here. This is very important. The bonus is valid for 90 days. So you will get those extra $300 on that account for another 90 days, but it will be deducted. Again, it will be deducted after 90 days, but can be extended. And this is very important. You can extend the duration of that bonus for another 90 days if you will be investing another 10% of your initial invested deposit. So if you initially invested 1,000, you will need to invest another 100 in order to extend and keep that $300 bonus. So this is how you actually do it. It's basically the same. You just use the account bonus TFR30 instead of TFR50, and you need to deposit an amount in order to make use of this wonderful promotion that I'm using myself. Now let's head on to the next slide, which is the tips for a perfect start. Education is first, guys. Use the 50 euro or dollars wisely. It can turn into a lot of money. Don't just blow it. Go through the course thoroughly first and be curious instead of overwhelmed. As I said, don't be discouraged by the information you see if you don't understand everything right away. It takes some time, but it's all worth it and it will all make sense. Trust me. Be curious. Let this whole world of trading and information that you will see affect you at your own pace. Be curious about learning new stuff and take it step by step. If you go through the course of Traderfriends, don't go through 3 courses, 5 courses at the same time. Stick with Traderfriends first. Stick with it for half a year and see if this is your thing. If not, you can move on. Set goals also. Very, very important. Having a clear goal in mind for the end of the year can really work wonders. So you, hold yourself accountable, which is very important. Other than that, I wish you guys a wonderful trading journey. I wish you guys all the best and happy trading. This was it. Everything from Aleksander from Traderfriends. And I wish you all the best with the trading course and the $50. May the trading gods be with you. See you on to the next video. Bye.